Good morning, y'all. We are out here at 19th Street in Boca Grande. I got the wife with me today. I want to try to get on, see if we can't try to catch a slam out here. But I wanted to try topwater for just a little bit this morning. We haven't got anything on topwater in a minute, so I wanted to give that a shot. And then I think I'm going to switch over to a paddle tail later in the day. So stay tuned, y'all. Let's see what we can get on. Let's get salty, y'all. Alright guys, we're finally on here. It's a little trout, I think. Check that out. I had the net ready and stuff this morning. I was actually ready for some fish today. Maybe I'm learning something here. Alright, just a little guy. Crazy. Got the skunk off. So that's a start. Let's see what else we can get on. Oh wow, that's a pretty nice sized trout. Maybe it might even be something different. What do we got here? Oh, it is a nice trout. Ooh. In the net, in the net. Yeah. Yeah, this guy's about 17, 18 almost. Bet he's probably about 18 if I put him on the board. Quick measure off my paddle. You clobbered it out, buddy. Yeah, you did. We might have to keep this guy. Damn. That sucks. Well, he's in slot, so.
I was gonna say, it's alright, we'll eat him.
Just didn't bring the meat cooler.
Yeah, that sucks.
GoPro was overheating, so missed the hit here, but looks like we got a nice little trout hooked up. Hit it right when I cast it. It hit the water and he nailed it. So but it definitely seems like there's some nice amount of trout out here today. We are definitely getting the trout. Nope, and he spit it already. Right here in the net. Nice little trout here. We're just gonna put the net back in, let him go. Maybe we ain't gotta touch him. There you go, buddy. Right on. Gotta find them reds and the snook. You guys got this little trout out here. It's only about my second or third cast out here. We decided to get out and wade. Certainly tearing up the trout today. Damn, buddy. Seemed like he was ready. All right. I don't think so. Yeah, he's under. Yep. Snooky, it jumped. I'm gonna need that net, honey.
Yeah, here I come.
Just switched over to that Aqua Dream Gold Spoon. And it seems like the Snook likes it, so. He's fighting pretty good too. They're fighting hard. Water's cooled down a little bit. Yeah, he's pretty decent. I don't think he's slot, but he's no dink. Thanks, honey.
Yep. They're good for you?
Yep, perfect. Come here, buddy. All right.
Decent.
Got the trout, got the Snook today. Now we just need that red for the slam.
Yeah.
Check this guy out. Got that Aqua Dream spoon there right in the corner of his mouth. Let's get this out of here for you, guy. Right on. Pretty.
Put a spoon on?
Yeah, pretty Snook. Yeah, I just did. All right, y'all. This might be the red we're looking for. This might actually just be another big trout. It's fighting like a red though. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I think we got another big trout. Yes, ma'am. All right, trout in the net. Settle down there, buddy. Check out that, guys. He's a nice trout. Aqua Dream spoon right there. Give him a measure. I'm pretty sure he is in slot. He's actually pushing over, actually, from a little bit that I seen there. Damn, that one was set. Ugh, got that big tooth in my finger. Damn, buddy. Okay, that's a 0. He's a 20-incher, guys. Or 20. Oh wow. 20 and some change here. I guess I need to work on getting this guy back out. He's too big. I was gonna keep him, but well, I might have to. I had him out for too long. Well, you're allowed to keep one over 19, but I usually like to keep the ones that's 20 and over. I like to put back, but I don't think this guy's gonna make it anyways. But he's the biggest one I've got in a minute. Just shy of 21 inches, guys. All right. Oh man, is that a snook? It just jumped. I thought we had a good red here. Yeah, little snooky. He is jumping all over. Couple decent snook out here today. Oh, this might actually be a bluefish. Yeah. Hey, my first bluefish. I always hear about them out here and people catching them, but I never actually had any luck catching them. My first bluefish. All right. He's pretty big too. Right on. Everybody always says that they're a fun fight, and I agree. That was a pretty good time. All right, buddy, settle down, settle down. And get this spoon out your mouth here. Check that out. All right, buddy. Boom. There he goes. Right on, new species today. Still on the hunt for that redfish though. Come on, guys. Where's the reds at? I just realized that I don't have the weed guards anymore on my spoon. The bluefish knocked them out. And yeah, I don't see them in the kayak either. That is a bummer and a half. Man, I was catching some good stuff on that. That's already failed though. That kind of sucks. Never had that happen before, but I've only used a couple of these Aqua Dreams. I never had it happen to the Johnson that has the solid bar. This thing is so loose now too. I can't even use this. All right, I'm gonna probably switch over to the old Trusted and True mulligan again, just because it's been so great lately. So I'm gonna swap one of those on and see what that'll do. We're almost down at the end of this sandbar, so we're gonna have to come up with a new game plan here soon. Man, first cast with the mulligan, some Dr. Juice on it. Man, it wasn't in the water for 10 seconds. We might actually have the little snook here this time. Yeah, looks that way. They are fighting hard today, man. The water is just slightly cooler, and it's all they need today. Look at that. Got that mulligan right there. He's just a little guy, but man, clobbered it right away. Awesome. Cool beans. Come on, buddy. It's so good to see these snook out on these sandbars and stuff. There for a while, I was only catching them around mangroves, which is, you know, pretty common. They really like structure, bridges, mangroves, things of that nature. But I find them out on the sandbars, around oyster bars, all kinds of stuff these last couple months. So it's been really awesome to see. They're really starting to rebound since our bad red tide that we had about 5 or 6 years ago. It's taken some time for them to recover, but they're finally coming around. Alright, we're going to wrap this video up here. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the tackle that we used and all the little setups. I get a lot of questions on what we use, so I want to put this up here for you guys. Overall, I think it was a pretty great day. I was able to get that new bluefish, got some really big trout, some nice little snook out there. Unfortunately, we didn't get the red for the slam, but overall, it was still a great day out there in Boca Grande. I hope you all liked this video. If so, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already.